Say hello to my little friend. So this is the AutoBrush 4, which is a brushing and whitening system for your teeth. And what's cool about this guy is that you can actually brush your teeth and whiten them at the same time. It also has a 2-in-1 whitening and red therapeutic light program, and it has a little bit longer, 10-minute, more intensive whitening program. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how I brush and whiten my teeth with this guy. So this is the brushing head for the AutoBrush 4. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna pick the amount of time you want to brush your teeth for. I'm gonna do 30 seconds, I already have that set. And then you're gonna pick your cleaning cycle. I'm gonna do the deep clean, just a second click. And then what you're gonna do is take your toothpaste, and this is the AutoBrush whitening foam toothpaste right here. It also says that you can use this as a mouthwash, which is really cool if you're on the go. So what I like to do is just put it on there and get started. You're gonna put it on both the top and the bottom. And then you're just gonna pop it in your mouth and you're gonna press the on button. So now that I am done brushing my teeth, I now have to whiten them. So I have attached the whitening tray to the AutoBrush body, and I have my whitening pen right here. It just says teeth whitening pen. I'm gonna take the top off and twist this to get some gel into the brush. And I'm just going to apply it to my teeth. All right, and now I'm going to grab the AutoBrush, turn it on, and get it to the blue light setting, like that, and just put it in for 10 minutes. Alright, so I just finished my 10-minute whitening session with the AutoBrush, and as you can see, they're nice and sparkly white. So the results are rapid and they're amazing. I've only used this a couple times and I can definitely already see something happening. And it's also great for sensitive teeth. A lot of whitening programs can cause sensitivity. This does not do that. There are just so many things that can stain your teeth, like smoking, red wine, or coffee, and I'm a huge coffee drinker. So this little guy really helps me keep the stains off. So definitely do yourself a favor and go check them out. You will not be disappointed.